welcome back to my channel for Vaashmi. And today we are going to do a simple experiment. We are going to make a volcano eruption. You can see right here it's a model or a stand of a volcano, and if you don't have it, it's simple. Just take a bottle. It means don't take a long bottle, otherwise it's not going to erupt. Cut the bottle in half and then do it. Okay, so let me tell you the ingredients. So this is the main ingredient. It's baking powder, and this is optional. If you don't have it, this is optional, and I have mixed the baking powder and the colors. Here is the mixture in a container. So, and these are the vinegar, and I have put it in a cap. So come on, let's start the experiment. So first you'll put the baking powder right here. Then we are gonna take the vinegar, and then okay, it's really lava. Okay, it's not hot, but it's looking like lava. Oh, it's like, see guys, it's so realistic and original. And you can try it at home. Just make sure don't dirty your hands like I did, and don't put the hands on your eyes. Wash it. And if you don't have colors, if you don't have food colors, so you can use powder colors, or you can use your paints. It's really simple activity you can do at your home. You can find all the things at your home. Literally, it's so easy. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. Bye.